I'm here today to give you a daily update on VeChain. Obviously, the last time we saw insane gains to the upside was April, and then obviously the May crash came in, and we obviously set pretty strong lower highs from there. Now, from there, guys, we did actually set a very nice grey box zone in terms of the lower high resistance point to be looking out for. We've only cleared that a couple of times, right? Cleared it a couple of times, most recently at the start of November. From that point, it's just been trending down, unfortunately. But what I want to say is a very, very crucial point for VET is actually right now. As you can see, quite obviously, we do have an ascending triangle, guys. An ascending triangle usually does mean continuation to the upside, right? Hopefully, that is going to play out. But at this point in time, we do need to basically take into consideration worst case scenario, right? The worst case scenario that we can be looking for here is us losing this mass level of support, right? We are sat on the cusp of testing this as support. If we do lose this, guys, if we lose this, we didn't quite, maybe got a candle close below it, but probably would be adjusting that trend on ever so slightly there. Not like that, ever so slightly there. Probably something along the lines of this. And then, yeah, we didn't quite get candle close below that there, guys, if we're going on candle bodies here. So, yeah, this is very, very crucial. Very, very crucial. And the reasoning for this is if we do lose that, it could mean a breakdown scenario, right? A breakdown scenario, which could mean lower prices for VeChain. I mean, we have been trending down for quite a while, and we have seen a very strong buyback from this 10 cents and 36 there from that low there. But to be honest, the way that this is trending down, it's very, very steep, very, very unhealthy. And the measurement to the lower side here is going to be around this high low here. It's going to be around this 8 cents there. I mean, VeChain to get to 8 cents, I think it's really, really quite unlikely there. Hopefully we can actually bounce here. Things to be looking out for, guys, is to start off with, we're testing the 10 simple here on the daily. We're testing the 10 simple on the daily around 12 cents. Can you please get over that VeChain, and then we can bounce back up to this 21 and the 55 there, and then we can talk about the idea of getting over this grey box zone again. But overall, in terms of altcoins there, VeChain has been asleep, guys. It's been asleep. It's been lacking. We really do need it to just pull its socks up in a sense and really just go on that run. But unfortunately, no. Right now, it's not looking the best. Obviously, it's not great, but yeah, that's the breakdown scenario to be looking out for there. If we do break down for VeChain here, around 8 cents is going to be the target, unfortunately, there. I'm not saying that we're going to get to 8 cents straight away. I'm going to be saying that we are going to be staggering take profits all the way down. If we are going to be seeing this, you can see multiple levels of reversal here, and you can see the buybacks for VeChain is usually really quite strong, which we have seen very recently there. So yeah, it's not I wouldn't say it's the end of the world for VeChain right now, but I do want to say if there is going to be a short position to be profiting from, this is going to be it here. Interesting stuff there. But yeah, in terms of a breakout to the upside, let's go on the basis that we do actually bounce here, and this whole downtrend is basically just the whales being not very nice, and basically getting everyone to sell at a loss here. We could be looking at a break to the upside here. The break to the upside is going to be here, guys. It's going to have 14 cents there. I wouldn't be longing it until we get over this zone here, because there's just crucial. There's too many resistance points coming through here, especially from this grey box zone. You can see how this correlates very, very well with these lower highs here. So yeah, that's definitely a point to be looking out for there for VeChain. What I would be looking for in terms of a breakout scenario to the upside, it is probably going to be something along the lines of this. That's the most recent uptrend there. Yeah, that's the most recent uptrend to be looking out for, and that would be bringing us up to around 20 cents there. So still not even all-time highs there. But at the end of the day, it is going to be a higher high in terms of this uptrend that we are, or this macro uptrend that we are seeing here. So yeah, not the end of the world, but it would be nice to actually see us actually get there, right? If we don't see us get there, then it's not going to be very good. It's not going to be very good at all, right? Yeah, but as I said, in order to get over that, we do have multiple resistance levels there. But yeah, a couple of points to be looking out for there in terms of VeChain in general. Now let's jump down to the shorter term time frames here, the 1 hour. See if we can get any sort of information coming through here. As I said, massive bounce point from the volume weighted ATR band there. You can see the support that this level does actually form across multiple time frames, guys. Very, very important tool. And you can see the 200 EMA is actually holding us back here in terms of resistance there. So in terms of a shorter term target here on the hour, I would be looking to get over this 12 cents and 18 there. That's what definitely a point to be looking out for VeChain there. But yeah, hopefully we can, and then basically ride that wave all the way up. if we can see VeChain actually come up. I mean, in terms of the lower high that we have set here, this is actually looking really quite progressive, really quite bullish here. We've got a micro lower high, but this is, I would say this is more of more congruent because you've seen a bit of a bigger pullback from that point there. So yeah, not too bad, as long as we can clear this 200 EMA and carry on setting these highs in terms of this trend, right? So so yeah, that'd probably be our update today on daily. Your daily update today on VeChain. I wouldn't say there's any positions really cooling out right now. But yeah, a couple of points to be looking out for there in terms of a prediction there for VeChain in general. Yeah, it's going to be a daily update on VeChain.